In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to insert a video into Google Slides. I've got my French lesson plan here, and I would like to import a video right at the end. To do this, all I need to do is go to Insert, and then go down to Video. Then in the box it will come up with multiple options to search YouTube, by URL, or Google Drive. Click the link in the description or in the iCard to watch a video on how to upload files into Google Drive. In this case, I'm going to do it by URL. I've already found the video that I'd like to import. To find the video URL, right click, and then go down to Copy Video URL. Then go back into your Google Slides, then paste the URL by pressing Ctrl V. Then, as you can see, the video has been uploaded, and click the blue select button at the bottom left. From there, you can adjust your video size so that it fits the entirety of your slide, and then play around with the settings. In the next video, I'm going to be going through all of the settings.